Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to take a look at GPT-2 text generation models. So if you are thinking this, okay, this sounds very similar because Chat GPT also uses this exact same model. Maybe not the exact same model, but Chat GPT the most popular version of Chat GPT uses Chat GPT 3.5 model, which is GPT 3.5 model, and we are trying to use a GPT 2 model. So GPT stands for a general purpose transformer. So earlier versions of ChatGPT, the beta versions of ChatGPT, which wasn't open to public or was only open to developers, that ChatGPT user used this exact specific model, GPT-2. So for this, we need to transformers, and then we are also using PyTorch and other required models. And here we have created a function that will generate text for us. As you know, GPT and Chat GPT is a generative AI model. So what a generative AI model is, it takes in input data and generates new things out of their input data. For example, if you are submitting it images of artworks, it will look at all those artists and all those paintings and it will create new paintings. So in the same way, we will be providing it text and it will create new text with that text. So here we are all initializing the parameters for our model, and just so you know, we aren't actually training this model. We are using a pre-trained model because GPT is a very large-scale model and it has billions of parameters. And if you want to train it on one single, even a high-end GPU like an RTX 4090, it could take countless days because the ones in OpenAI have like a whole suite of AI compute servers which have like tens and twelves of the GPU, and then they train it. So it takes a lot of time even in those machines. So what we are doing to decrease our compute times, we are using a pre-trained model, right? So first of all, we are using this pre-trained model named GPT-2 and we gave it a prompt. Now what is a prompt? Once upon a time in a small village. So we are just giving our model an initial starting point, that what we want is create some text, create some like a kind of story with once upon a time in a small village as a starting point. So as you can see, it has created a paragraph here. Actually, our model has wrote an entire story. So this is the normal chat GPT model. Now it's the GPT-2 medium. What medium and large signifies is, it's not like french fry sizes. So what it is suppose we have 1 billion parameters in normal model. In medium we will have 2 billion. In large we will have 3 billion. So you know the parameters are increasing. So what will happen if the parameter is increasing? The efficiency, the creativity of our model will increase as we increase the parameters. As you may also guessed it, as you increase the parameters, the time to train the model will also increase. But that's not a problem for us since we are using a pre-trained model, the model which has already been trained. So now we are using a GPT-2 large model and we will get an even better story. And now we are using a super simplified model which is known as distilled GPT. So remember how I gave you an example of normal GPT-2 having 1 billion parameters? You can say this has like half a billion parameters. It's very short version. It's a very compact version of GPT-2 model. Here you can see we have given it the same prompt here. The chicken did not cross the road because it was snow of the world. It does not make a lot of sense because it's a very distilled down version of a very powerful model which is GPT-2. So that was it for this video and thanks for watching.